In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Binance News Feed for crypto updates. Staying informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency world is crucial for anyone involved in this market. Whether you're investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoins, news plays a pivotal role in shaping market trends and decisions. The Binance News Feed is an excellent resource to help you stay ahead in the market with timely and relevant updates. First, let's navigate to the Binance website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.binance.com. This will take you to Binance's homepage, the entry point for everything the platform offers, from trading to the latest market updates. Seeing all these options can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll guide you right to where you need to go. Once you are on the Binance homepage, your next step is to locate and click on the icon labeled Square. This section serves as a hub for community-focused features on Binance, including forums, announcements, and news. By clicking this, you're one step closer to accessing the wealth of information Binance has to offer. After you enter the Square section, you'll need to find the News option and click on it. This will redirect you to the Binance News Feed, where a variety of articles related to the crypto market are compiled. Here, you'll encounter headlines covering diverse topics, from specific coin news to broader market trends. Binance curates these articles to ensure users have access to insightful and up-to-date information. If a particular news headline grabs your attention, go ahead and tap on it to read the full article. This is where you can dive deeper into the details, analysis, and opinions surrounding the topic, all written by experienced analysts and contributors in the field. It's a great way to gain more nuanced understandings of trending topics. Moreover, if you're looking for something specific or want to explore certain topics, you can always use the search function within the news section. Simply type in keywords or phrases related to your interest and let the platform filter through the news articles for you. This is particularly useful if you're looking for insights on specific investment strategies or trends involving particular cryptocurrencies. Lastly, regularly checking the Binance newsfeed is a smart habit to form, as it keeps you updated on crypto trends. Being informed is key when making investment decisions, especially in an environment as dynamic as cryptocurrency. Don't underestimate the power of good information. Capitalize on it to enhance your trading efficacy. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly access the Binance newsfeed and ensure you're well equipped with the latest crypto intelligence.